Just imagine this. One day you try to log into your Facebook account, only to realize it has been hacked. And when you attempt to recover it, a scary message pops up saying, "Try another device to continue." Or maybe the password has been changed, the email is gone, and it feels like everything has come to an end. It's as if your digital life has been locked away. But wait, don't panic, because there is a solution. Today I'll show you the exact steps to recover your Facebook account, even if you no longer have the phone you first used to register, or if your account has been completely locked. This is the video that will save you right now, and also in the future. If you watch until the end, you'll never lose your account again. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can keep receiving these useful tutorials regularly. Step-by-step recovery guide. Open Google or Google Chrome and search for Facebook recovery. Tap on the result titled, "Recover your Facebook account if you can't log in, Mparadisso your Facebook Help Center." Then click on Android App Help. Scroll down to the section, "If you can't access the email or phone number on your account," and then click here. Scroll down again until you see first, "Try this link," and click it. This will take you to facebook.com/hacked. For better results, make sure to turn on desktop mode in your browser. Click Next. You'll be taken to the page titled Find Your Hacked Account. Here, enter your mobile number or email address. You can also search using your account name. For this tutorial, we'll use the account name to search. After typing your name, click Continue. If multiple accounts appear with similar names, carefully select the right one and then click Recover. You'll then land on a page showing the message, "Try another device to continue." Don't be scared or panic. This is very common when your account has been hacked. What matters is following the process I'll show you now. Click back to login. You'll return to the login page, type in your account name, then click Forgot Password. A new page will appear asking how you want to receive your security code. Normally it will suggest your email, but if the hacker changed your email, you can select other options by clicking Try Another Way. You'll now reach the Reset Password page. Choose the method to receive your code. Send code via email, send code via SMS, or send code via WhatsApp. After choosing, click Continue. Facebook will send you a code through the method you selected. Copy that code, paste it in the box, and then click Continue. Colon. If you don't see the correct recovery option in the list, click I don't see the right option on this list, and then click Continue. Finally, click Get Started, and your account will be successfully recovered and opened again. Now you see, even when Facebook tells you, try another device or locks you out completely, there are still ways to regain access, if you know the right steps. Don't let anyone steal your digital life. Instead, use this knowledge to stay secure. If you've learned something new today, please hit the like button, leave a comment below, and share this video so your friends can also recover their accounts. And of course, subscribe here at Mparadisso Media Tech, because the next video will bring you even more powerful solutions you won't want to miss. See you again. And remember, when someone takes your account, you take action.